Hey everyone, welcome back to another Teach with Koala tutorial. So today, I'll show you how to move fast in the Koala Go Playground. Simply make sure you're in first person view and then hold the shift key on your keyboard and click on the up or down arrow keys and you should be able to move fast like this. Wow, that was pretty fast. Now, this is in normal mode. And this is whilst holding the shift key. You see how fast that was? So that's just a trick on how to move fast in the Koala Go Playground. Now you can race your students all around your Koala classroom. Happy teaching everyone!